your guide. But if your money be your leader, then your power be divine. Oh yeah. Oh, every people. When your people build your vision, let your teaching be on high. If your power be your leader, then your spirit heaven denied. No matter what you try to do, you can't deny the truth. No, and what the people choose ain't really up to you. Actions always find a way to shine brighter than the things you say. People need a healing. Let the Spirit be your guide. And when your heart pour out your blessing,